On here?
Yeah?
Are you recording?
Yeah.
Right. I am the first in the UK to have, are you ready? This is from Alex from Impact Diagnostics. First in the UK to have the Think Car ThinkTool 391. I can't wait, I'm dead excited. Are you dead excited?
Yeah.
Are you happy with me now because you've been upset with me, haven't you?
No.
That's alright then. Look at this. Don't swear at him.
I didn't.
I tell you what, I just need to get it open. But gently because...
Oh, mate.
Well, we can use your new £80 knife from Snap-on.
There you go.
Wait.
That's a nice knife, that.
Sorry, my tongue's everywhere. Like a dog out the window.
Don't rip the box.
I can't, don't want to rip the box. Sugar. Oh, and that's a sharp end. I'm dead excited, you know.
Oh, it comes in a little case, mate.
Oh my god! Oh my, that's heavy. Right, I need to save the box. I want to save the box. Box of wires.
It's a box of
I
wires.
expect. Oh no! It's your kit. It's your for your BMWs and your Mercedes, etc. So that's a wiring, a connector kit. So there's your connectors for. Right, so you got BMW, Mercedes, and what's that?
Oh, mate.
Oh, mate.
Accessories.
I'm trying not to get too excited. What?
What's that do?
I don't even know. But obviously I've got a week to find out because Ace of Diag test goes.
Oh.
Oh, it's hanging on your steering wheel. On, power.
It's even got a torch at the back.
Oh, no, I've just turned it on. Whoosh. That's nice. I don't have a clue what I'm doing in life, but I love it. Right, anyway, that'll do what it's doing. I'm going to put it on charge in a minute. I'll set that up. What have we got in here?
Accessories.
Accessories. Instructions, they're never going to get read. Charge cables. Phone line cable. For me, Ethernet for programming. More OBD ports. More OBD ports. So we've got probably 1, 2, 3 in there, 5 in there, and 3 in there. Whatever that number is. About 11. This is Think Car.
Snap-on?
Yeah, it will be.
So what, I pay to have it updated?
Not for 2 years.
That's alright, isn't it?
What country am I in? Europe. London. Next. One Alfie. Wi-Fi. Do you see Lomas? Oh, right, I'm gonna get it set up. We'll catch you in a bit.